Hello students, welcome you all. Today we'll be discussing the concept of elasticity of demand. What is elasticity of demand? The elasticity of demand is defined as the rate of change of quantity demanded for a given change in price. It is primarily related to extension or contraction of demand for a fall or rise in price. Hence, this is called price elasticity of demand. But there are other factors which influence elasticity of demand, and accordingly, we have three types of elasticity of demand. What are the three types? Price elasticity of demand, income elasticity of demand, and cross elasticity of demand. Now, what is price elasticity of demand? Price elasticity of demand is defined as proportionate change in quantity demanded due to proportionate change in price. Price elasticity of demand measures the degree of responsiveness of the quantity demanded of a good to a change in its price. The mathematical expression of price elasticity of demand is price elasticity of demand is equal to percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. And mathematically we can write EP, that is price elasticity of demand, is equal to delta Q by delta P into P by Q, where delta Q is the change in quantity demanded and delta P is change in price. And P and Q denote original price and original quantity demanded. Now, what is income elasticity of demand? Income elasticity of demand is defined as proportionate change in quantity demanded due to proportionate change in income of the consumer. Income elasticity of demand measures the degree of responsiveness of the quantity demanded of a good to a change in income of the consumer. And mathematical expression of income elasticity of demand is EY is equal to delta Q divided by delta Y into Y divided by Q. That is, here also Q and Y represents original quantity of demand and original consumer's income respectively. Delta Q is change in quantity demanded, delta Y is change in consumer's income. Now, let us understand what is cross elasticity of demand. Cross elasticity of demand is defined as proportionate change in quantity demanded of commodity X due to proportionate change in price of commodity Y. Here, X and Y are related goods. Cross elasticity of demand measures the degree of responsiveness of quantity demanded of a good to a change in price of a related good. And mathematical expression of cross elasticity of demand is EC is equal to delta QX divided by delta QY into PY divided by QX. Here, EC is equal to cross elasticity of demand, QX initial quantity demanded for good X, delta Qx is the change in quantity demanded of good X, Py is the initial price of good Y, and delta Py is the change in price of good Y. Now, there are different types or degree of price elasticity of demand. Types or degrees of price elasticity of demand are shown here. There are 5 degrees. When the elasticity is infinite, it is called perfectly elastic demand. When elasticity is equal to 0, it is called perfectly inelastic demand. When the elasticity is greater than 1, it is called relatively elastic demand. When it is less than 1, it is called relatively inelastic demand. And when it is equal to 1, it is called unitary elastic demand. Now here we can see different degrees of price elasticity of demand. In panel A, we see that price elasticity is equal to 1, this is unitary elastic demand, and in panel B, elasticity is greater than 1. This is a relatively elastic demand, and in panel C, elasticity is less than 1. This is called relatively inelastic demand, and in panel D, elasticity is equal to 0. This is called perfectly inelastic demand. And the last one, panel E, the elasticity is infinite. This is called perfectly elastic demand. So that's all for now. Thank you. Thank you so much.